Elebear and the day the colors disappeared. One morning, young Elebear woke in his bed, but the world looked faded, quiet, and dead. The sky wasn't blue, the leaves weren't green. All of the colors had lost their sheen. Sister Bear asked him, "Are you okay?" Elebear whispered, "It's all gone gray." They walked down the path to their favorite spot, but Elebear's steps were slower than not. He didn't skip lightly the way he would do. His heart felt heavy, his joy felt few. Then there it laid on the cold, damp ground. Elebear's feathers smashed all around. The one he had painted in gold and blue, now cracked and broken in pieces too. "I tried so hard," he said through fear. "I worked for days, now it's not here." He squeezed his eyes tight, trying not to cry, while tears slipped down before he could try. "I want to fix it, I really do, but I feel tired and sad right through." Sister Bear hugged him, Brother Bear too. They didn't speak, they just stayed there true. Elebear cried with his whole little heart, crying for things that had fallen apart. At last his breaths became gentle and slow, though nothing outside began to glow. The sky stayed gray, the trees stayed dull, but his heart felt lighter, a little less full. Sister Bear wiped the tears from his face. "Colors," she whispered, "don't always chase around the world for us to find. Sometimes they live deep inside your mind." Brother Bear gathered the pieces near. "We'll build a new one right here, my dear." "But what if it breaks?" Elebear cried. "Then we'll rebuild," Brother Bear replied. Trying again is what brave hearts do. Resilience means the strength in you. Even when things fall apart, you try once more with your gentle heart. Elebear nodded, though not yet strong, but felt their love pull him along. They worked together, slow and steady, paint and glue and paws at the ready. Sometimes Elebear needed a rest. Sometimes he doubted he'd do his best. But each time he came back to a triumph, a quiet win. The feeder wasn't perfect or grand, but beautiful still, shaped by each hand. A mix of colors, hope and care. A symbol built by siblings there. "I like it," Elebear whispered small. "It feels like us. It has us all." They hung it high on the shortest tree and waited there patiently. 1, 2, 3. While bright nothing fluttered near, Elebear shivered, holding his spear. Then one bird came with a gentle beat, then more arrived with chirps so sweet. As Elebear watched their tiny wings fly, blue filled once colorless sky. Green shimmered back through every tree, and his yellow blanket shone happily. Sister Bear whispered, "Now you see, colors return when you come to be." "I think I'm ready," Elebear said, with brave little steps not filled with dread, "to try again tomorrow and the next day after. I really do." Brother Bear smiled, warm and bright. "That's resilience, little light." The sun dripped low, the sky glowed, and together walked down the road, strong in spirit, hand and paw, finding colors in all they saw. Thanks for joining us in Elebear's world. Remember, even on the grayest days, your heart has enough light to bring back the colors. The end.